Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Choose a reputable auto key presser with positive reviews and recent updates. Focus on open-source projects or well-known vendors that publish change logs. Verify compatibility with your operating system before downloading any file. Look for adjustable interval settings expressed in milliseconds for precise timing control. Prefer tools that support 125 Hz or higher polling when interacting with high responsiveness applications. Avoid obscure executables and prioritize code transparency or a large user base for safer choices. Download only from the official site or a trusted repository like GitHub. Compare the downloaded file size to the published value where available for integrity. Scan installers with an updated antivirus before launching any installer executable. During installation, uncheck optional toolbars and bundled offers that increase risk. Install to a standard program folder and avoid running unknown executables as administrator. After installation, review permissions and enable automatic updates when the option is available. Set the key, set press duration in milliseconds, and set interval in milliseconds precisely. Choose realistic intervals such as 100 ms for moderate repetition or slower rates for stability. Test your configuration in a safe local environment before using it in any critical task. Respect software terms of service and avoid automation where it violates rules or policies. Disable the presser on startup and do not use it with online games that have anti-cheat protections. Maintain logs and adjust timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.